Hello viewers, you're welcome to this lecture on mycology. Today we are going to look at the definition of mycology and the scope of mycology. Now, what is mycology? Mycology basically means the study of fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology, and it involves the study of the properties of fungi, the study of their various uses, their toxicity, and basically their taxonomy. A biologist specializing in mycology is called a mycologist. Okay, the specialist in the study of fungi is called a mycologist. Mycology branches into the field of phytopathology, that's the study of plant diseases, and the two disciplines remain closely related because the vast majority of plant pathogens are fungi. Mycology is also, the study of mycology also embraces the study of the slime molds, which are actually organisms in the kingdom Protoctista, fungi-like organisms that are in the kingdom Protoctista. Okay, so I want to look at the slime molds, and then in subsequent videos, we'll now look at the fungi. Now, what are slime molds? Slime mold is an informal name given to several kinds of unrelated saprophytic eukaryotic organisms that can live freely as single cells, but can aggregate together to form multicellular reproductive structures. They are organisms that are saprophytic and eukaryotic. Saprophytic organisms are organisms that digest their food, use enzymes to digest their food externally before absorbing them. The eukaryotic organisms are organisms that have true nucleus, okay, a membrane-bound nucleus. And these slime molds can live as single cells, but they can also form aggregates. They can aggregate together to form multicellular reproductive structures. The slime molds were initially classified into the kingdom fungi, but are no longer considered part of the kingdom fungi. First, because of the fact that they are unicellular, and because of their makeup, their genetic makeup. Although not forming a single monophyletic clade, they are grouped within the paraphyletic group referred to as kingdom Protista or Protoctista. So the slime molds are classified into the kingdom Protoctista. Okay, the kingdom Protoctista. The slime molds are tiny organisms that have many nuclei. They are tiny organisms that have many nuclei. Usually, slime molds are characterized by the presence of aggregates called plasmodium and are even visible to the naked eyes. Okay, they usually aggregate to form plasmodium structures that are called plasmodium. Now, this is a typical example of a slime mold. Okay, a plasmodium, a slime mold that's called Trachea varia. All right, so we want to now look at the classification of slime molds. Classification of slime molds. Now, the slime molds are classified into three classes. The slime molds are classified into three classes, and the three classes of the slime molds are the class Myxogastria or Myxomycetes, the class Dictyostelidae or the Dictyostelids, and the class Protosteloids. Now I want to look at each of those classes. Now the slime molds comprise the Mycetozoan group of the Amoebozoa. That's the Amoebozoan group. Now we want to look at the three classes of the slime molds. First, the class Myxogastria or Myxomycetes. Now these are plasmodial or cellular slime molds. Plasmodial slime molds resemble plasmodium, that's they cluster together. Okay, they are slime molds that usually form clusters, and they are usually unicellular. And they also possess many nuclei. They are said to be syncytial. They possess many nuclei. The second class is the class Dictyostelidae, and the class Dictyostelidae or Dictyostelids are cellular slime molds. They are cellular slime molds that tend to have more than one cell. Then we also have the class Protosteloids. The protosteloids are amoeboid slime molds that form fruiting bodies. They are amoeboid slime molds that lack definite shape and they form fruiting bodies. Thanks a lot for watching this episode of my lecture. Watch subsequent videos on the kingdom fungi and later. Thanks, and please continue to watch more videos from my YouTube channel, and you'll be glad you did because you'll be educated. Thanks.